What's up everybody, Bubba Dees here, and it's soup season. So let's get started with the quick and simple lentil soup. What you're gonna need is lentils, carrots, cumin, thyme, onion, and chicken broth, and a little bit of peppers if you like the heat. You also need a pot, a blender, or an emulsifier. Now you wanna get your onions, roughly chop them, put them in a pan with a little bit of oil, and we're gonna saute them until they're translucent, just like that. Then at this point, you want to just go ahead and put your carrots in. The full recipe will be linked in the description. Now go ahead and put your thyme, your cumin, and if you like heat, this is completely optional, but I'm putting in a little bit of green chilies. If you want it a little bit less, go with black pepper. Now the star of the show is going to be your lentils, and then we're going to add chicken broth, or you can substitute it for vegetable broth. Another cup of water just to top it up. Now you can add more water depending on what type of consistency you like. Put it on the stove for about 20 minutes. When you're done, you can use your emulsifier, or you can do what I've done, put it in the blender and blend it on high. Once you get the consistency that you like, go ahead and get your bowl ready. And this is the best part where you get to sit back and enjoy. If you like what you've seen, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.